day 3 in the Netherlands. It is currently 8:34 in the AM. Breakfast is coming at 9, and then we're getting picked up, and we're going to pick up Chloe and Nick. So I'll get up now, get dressed, freshen up, I don't know. And yeah, I'll see when breakfast is here.
Hi,
Hello.
Aiden. Good sleeping?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Feels to be happy here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not so hot today. Not so hot. Bit
What?
cooler. Not so warm outside. The temperature. Yesterday very hot temperature. How do you say that? You say temperature. How do you say temperature? The weather. So how do you say weather?
Yoghurt met
Yeah.
2 yoghurt?
No, do you want yogurt today?
No.
No, just one.
One yoghurt,
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, weather. We are.
Oh, 2.
Yeah.
Goed zo.
Cold, man.
Oh yeah.
Aiden feels to be a bit happy here.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
good.
yeah.
Good.
I have melon. Melon.
Yeah,
Is het lekker?
Yeah.
Ja, lekker. Zo. Heb je honger? Hunger?
Yeah.
Yes. Go you ook to Paris, France,
Yeah.
Berlin?
After, not Berlin.
Niet naar
No.
Berlin. Ja.
France after Amsterdam,
Right.
I think.
Paris is schoon.
Paris.
Glass.
No, yes, yeah. Paris after Amsterdam.
Het is klasse, Paris.
Yeah.
Ja. En Amsterdam, ja, is ook schoon.
Mm.
Ja.
Very nice.
Maar ik kom nog een keer.
Okay.
This is another thing I haven't shown, and it's like apparently only here. But I don't know if I showed this. But look at the toilet. So it's like got a little bit of water, and then it goes down in there. So like, let's say you have to poo. It just sits there until you flush it. So it's like,
Nice to meet you. I'm Petra.
Up to how are you, man?
Hi, good you?
Good, man. Hello.
How are you? Yeah, good. Tired?
How far? Geen andere gedressen, de reclame te werk hier. Zal eens bladen. Alright, so we just finished dinner. And now we're walking to cousin's house. Oh,
That is gonna be like that.
boxing. Oh, this is copyright music. Can't be having this.
I need to do some of that now. After dinner. And the fly. Fly.
Hello. Hey, do you know George?
George Colombo.
George Bush. Bladas, stuka dorsa margif. So we're talking about alcohol. Oh, I lost this one. And you reckon? Where? Oh, fuck. Nick reckons alcohol's expensive, cheap in Europe, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
It's cheaper in Europe.
I don't know. Whenever I see alcohol now, I convert it. Like we saw like a porn star martini was $15.60 Australian. Whereas like you go to like Crown, that's like $26.
Cost your arm and a leg.
Chloe, Chloe, Duckers. I'll tell you what, Dutch beer is some good shit. It's actually really nice. Like I don't even know. The one we had last night was Alpha, ALFA, like Alfa Romeo. That was really nice, that one. But tonight, I don't even know what it was called tonight. But it was nice, smooth. We had one at the restaurant when we went for dinner. I didn't really like that. That was like very bitter. But this one, you know, it was nice and smooth. 5%. You know, have a couple of them, having a good night. You know. But yeah, now we're walking home. 10 to 10, and it's bright. As they say here again, more. I really need to go to the toilet. I broke the seal too early, and now I actually really need. Hello. Now I really need to go. Oh, everyone's nice here. I could say hello.
But more in the morning, people say hello.
No, in the morning it's good morning. No, if I say hiya. We've also been gifted fruit waffles. Fruit waffles. So now everyone here is within walking distance of Mum's auntie's house, and where we're staying is like 900 meters. Normally, like the past yesterday, yeah. Yesterday when I had the bike, it's like a 3-minute ride, so it's not too bad, and it's a nice ride. Oh, I've got the hiccups. But yeah, I just really need to go to the toilet. I'm gonna put this in now. It's a bit hard now in Holland because we're with family. So there's not really much happening during the day, but after when we leave here, and then like we're not with family anymore, so it'll probably be a bit easier. We're going to be doing a lot more. See, like now we're just like spending time with them. So I'll put a photo on the screen right now of where we're going after this, and this is not going to be like the first video where I said I'm going to put a photo with a dog and I didn't put a photo with a dog. So you know what? I'll put a photo with a dog right now. But yeah, like now, like even like we went after dinner, we went to Mum's other cousin, his house, and we just sitting there. I already said that, yeah. Playing some darts. Felt like Ted Lasso in that video. But yeah, tomorrow. What are we doing tomorrow, Mum?
Going to see Nan's cousin.
Yep. Okay. Going to see Grandma's cousin. Yep.
Then we're going for dinner to Greek Palace.
Oh yeah, we're going to dinner in Germany to the Greek Palace, and because apparently they go there every Wednesday, so we've just joined into that tradition. There's like, I think about like 15 of us, yeah. More. Huh?
4, 8, 12, yeah, probably 15.
Yeah, about 15 of us. So no, it should be good. Greek. the days apparently are getting like shorter. I mean, it's 10:30 and it's. Let me go outside properly. 10:30 and it's still a bit of light. Like, it's not pitch black. Too much fly. We have a lot of that. It's like, yeah, cake, yeah. So thank you for watching day 3, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Enjoy. Goodbye.